How our staircase pressurization tool helps you calculate the required airflow of your fan easily. Open HVAC ToolKit mobile app, go to Ventilation, then press on Staircase Pressurization tool. Enter the total number of doors in all levels of stairwell. Enter the number of escape doors that will be opened during fire, usually one in ground floor and one in the level where the fire is happening. Enter the area of one door of the stairwell. Enter the air velocity across open doors, between 0.75 and 1 meter per second. Enter the horizontal perimeter of the stairwell. Enter the height of stairwell from base to top. Enter the pressure difference between stair and outside. Select the leakage ratio through stairwell walls due to cracks or method of construction. This should be a selection of one of the following. Select the leakage ratio through stairwell doors due to cracks or method of construction. This should be a selection of one of the following. Press the Calculate button after you enter all the above inputs to get your result. Here you will see the required airflow of the staircase pressurization fan. Thank you for watching. Install HVAC ToolKit app on your phone and use it anytime, anywhere.